A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Luke chapter 11, verses 1 to 4. Once Jesus was in a certain place praying, and when he had finished, one of his disciples said, "Lord, teach us to pray, just as John taught his disciples." He said to them, "Say this when you pray: Father, may your name be held holy. Your kingdom come. Give us each day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we ourselves forgive each one who is in debt to us. And do not put us to the test." The Gospel of the Lord. Prayer, as we know it, is communication with God. So if it is communication with God, then it begs the question as to why would the disciples ask Jesus, how are we to pray? It would have been a simple answer, just speak your heart to God. But I think the reason we need to know how to pray is that there are so many times when the future seems very bleak, when everything is tumbling around us, falling to pieces, and we are in the dark place, and our mind is not able to function as it normally would. We can't think, we don't know what to say. And it is these times that we need to have memorized a prayer that we can just say, to soothe our being, to bring us back to our senses, to give us a respite. And that is why we need to memorize a certain prayer or a poem or a verse that pushes the reset button for us and gives us hope. Let us all memorize a short prayer, a short poem, or a short verse, or a short motivation speech that will help us reset the button in our darkest moments and give us the courage to look for another day.